6 here to attend my assembly theme. I am here to say some lines on hard work. Successful persons are not gifted, they just work hard and succeed on the purpose. So to wish one can be success, we must be dedicated because nothing is going to happen overnight. A very heartily morning to one and all present here. This is Anushka Kumar from class 6, standing before you to present today's morning assembly on theme hard work. Next, I could like to call Navya Kumari on the stage. Thank you.
Navya Kumari from grade 6. Working hard is greatly valued in our society. From childhood we told that if we work hard we will succeed. Dear friends, God reward those who works hard and that come in a variety of ways. Now we will start our morning assembly. Let us pray to God for a strength and energy to do work. So join your hands and close your eyes.
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. I am here to tell you the importance of vocabulary. It's important for us to have a good vocabulary. A rich vocabulary makes the skill of writing, reading, listening, speaking easier to perform. Let us enhance our vocabulary, and I would like to invite Baki from 50 from grade 6 for the word of the day.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. I am Samriddhi from grade 6. Today I am here to tell you the word of the day. Today's word of the day is attain, meaning achieving something that one has worked for. Use of this word in a sentence. A tree can attain a height of 20 feet. A car can attain a speed of 200 meters per hour. Thank you. Next I would like to call Prithvi for the importance of the day.
Thank you so much, Samriddhi, for enhancing our vocabulary. Each day bring with it the potential for learning, understanding, and new expressions, discovering, and revolution. Let us know about the importance of the day. For this, I would like to invite Aswarya from class 6.
Good morning friends, I am Aishwarya Kumar from grade 6. 2nd March is the death anniversary of Sarojini Naidu. She was the Nightingale of India. She was the first woman governor of an Indian state. A dream doesn't become really through a magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work by Colin Powell. Dear friends, if one take a look at the successful men and women in the world, he or she will realize that they climb the stairs of success after a year of hard work. So in order to make one's dream a reality, one should be diligent, confident and hardworking. I would like you to do morning exercise with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. PT number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. PT number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change.
Class 6 for national play.
Good morning everyone, I am Shashi Bhardas from class 6 and I am here to say the national pledge. Stand straight, take out your right hand and repeat after me. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and wide heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India, well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Yashasvi Bharadwaj. Ever heard the saying, dreams don't work unless you do, by John C. Maxwell? It doesn't matter how small or how big our dreams are. What important is that we believe in them enough to work hard to achieve them. Now I would like you to sing a song, We Shall Overcome with you.
Dear friends, our thinking has us to define and organize experience. Plan, learn, reflect, and create. Let's be a thought of today. For this, I would like to invite Aisha Forward.
Good morning, all of you. I am Aisha from Grade. I am here to say the thought of the day is goal. There is no secret behind the success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learn from failure. इस सफलता के पीछे कोई राज नहीं है, बल्कि तैयारी, कड़ी मेहनत और असफलता से सीखने का प्रयास। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Aisha. Such a nice thought. Now I would like you to sing two songs. हम होंगे कामयाब with me.
Oh
about news. News makes us feel connected to our surroundings. It informs us about the events that are happening around us and affect us. Now today top news headlines I would like to call Devarsi from class 6.
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. My name is Devarsi Kumar from class 6. Good morning everyone. My name is Devarsi Kumar from class 6. Breaking news live 2 March 2022. Ukraine series PM Modi chairs a high-level meeting on Russia-Ukraine situation. Many Indian students are still stranded in Ukraine and for their evacuation. India is making efforts to evacuate its citizens stuck in the war-torn country. Today's COVID-19 numbers: 9,566 new community cases, 22 new cases identified at the borders, 373 cases in hospital, 6,314 total PCR tests in the last 24 hours. 23,71,562 booster dose. Latest news: third COVID-19 vaccine Novavax approved. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Aditya from grade 6. National anthem depicts the religious and relational and cultural unity and diversity of the country. It helps unite us by one sing song to show respect for our nation. Get ready for national anthem. Look at front, hands by side, stand straight.
Good morning from my side. This is Atma from class 6. Let's start a national anthem. Thank you. भारत माता की वंदे वंदे।
Here